Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another post-market analysis video brought to you by Current. And as usual, we are going to be taking a quick look at the dollar index. Now, looking at the dollar index on the daily chart, you can see that the dollar index is still in a bearish trend. Why do I say that? Because as you can see, we are clearly creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Now, what I'll be expecting the dollar index to do is this. I want the dollar index to retrace into any point of interest here to go below. So what are the point of interest here? We have this fair value gap. Look here, we have a fair value gap. You can clearly see this fair value gap. We also have another fair value gap here. This fair value gap right here. And if you look closely, you can see that we also have another other block overlapping with this fair value gap. So let me mark that out here. We have this other block also at this price range. So my expectation for the dollar index is for price to do a retracement. So let me get my line 2 here. I want price to retrace into any of these point of interest, or this one, or probably this other block before going below. Now, if it's going to go, that is if you are expecting a sell, what are going to be our targets? So our targets are going to be number one, this low here. So this previous low here, I would want that to be taken out. After that is taken out, I'll be looking to take out this other low here. So with that in mind, if you transition to the Euro USD price chart, we are going to see the opposite of this analysis on the Euro USD price chart. So let's move over to the Euro USD price chart. Now, remember, the dollar index was bearish, so we are going to see the opposite of that on the Euro USD price chart. Now, as you can see here, the Euro USD is on a bullish trend because we are putting in higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. And also, I would be looking for the opposite of what you just analyzed on the dollar index to play out here. So I'm going to be looking for the price here to retrace to any of this point of interest. That is this fair value gap. Let me mark that out for you guys. So we have this fair value gap right here. We also have another fair value gap here. This fair value gap right here. And if you look closely, you have this other block overlapping with this fair value gap. So what I want to see from here is this. I want this market to retrace into this point of interest. That is, either it retraces into this one before going up, or it does a deeper retracement into any of this fair value gap and push upwards. Now, if that is going to happen, where do you think is my target? First of all, my first target is going to be this old high here. That'll be my first target. And after that, I'm looking to take out this high here. So these are my targets for this trade. So guys, that will be all for this video. Always remember to practice good risk management on your accounts, and I will see you all in the next video.